Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. First we use the color of blue. Kids, the next one is red color. Now we use the color of black. Kids, the next one is yellow color. And the last one is green color. Today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Kids, first we use blue color and now we draw the letter of A. Now we draw the letter of A. A for apple. We again use blue color and now we draw B. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. The letter of D. The next one is E. E for egg. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we draw the letter of F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw the letter of G. G for goat. The next one is H. Kids, now we draw the letter of I. We again use blue color and now we draw the letter of I. I for ice cream. Now we draw the letter of J. J for jackfruit. Now we use the color of black. Kids, now we draw the letter of J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. And now we draw L. And the next one is M. M for moon. Now we draw N. N for nose and for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. The next one is P. P for parrot. Kids, now we draw the letter of Q. Q for queen. Now we use again yellow color. The color of yellow. Kids, now we draw the letter of R. R for rose. The next one is S. S for snake. And the next one is T. T for tiger. Now we draw the letter of U. And the next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. Now we draw X. X for X-ray. We again use yellow color and now we draw the letter of Y. Y for yolk. Kids, now we draw the letter of Z. Z for zoo. Now we draw numbers. We again use black color and first we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O, 2. Now we draw the number of 3. And the next one is 4. F-O-U-R, 4. And now we draw 5. Kids, the next one is 6. S-I-X, 6. Now we draw the number of 7. And the next one is 8. Now we draw 9. And the next one is 10. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.